Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Panama. And the evening recipe is Sancocho. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the chicken. Everything with the chicken ready to be mixed. And everything is mixed. Heating up some oil in the Dutch oven. I add the chicken and saute it to brown. And then I add the onions and the cilantro. And after being sauteed, I add the water. And now it simmers for 20 minutes. We add the sweet potato. And simmer for about 30 minutes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.